Welcome to Photoshop Art. After updating my Windows 11 to 22H2, I accidentally discovered something in Photoshop. If you press T and click on the screen to type something, and then Windows and the dot key, you can now type smiley faces directly in Photoshop. You can make them smaller or bigger. If you double-click the layer and then select the drop shadow, you can make them even more amazing. No more importing smiley images into Photoshop. I hope this makes your work easier. This is Photoshop Art. Thanks for watching.